Presenting Oppo A16. This smartphone comes in 3 color variants of crystal black, pearl blue and royal gold. The phone has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. It has dual nano SIM with 4G connections on dual standby. The 6.52-inch HD Plus water drop display with screen-to-body ratio of 88.7% gives you an immersive viewing experience. It has side-mounted fingerprint as well. The 13 megapixels main camera with 2 megapixels mono camera, 2 megapixels macro lens and 8 megapixel front camera lets you to capture all the moments on the go. The powerful 2.3 GHz octa-core processor, which supports LPDDR4X memory and MediaTek Helio G35 GPU IMG GE8320 at the speed of 680 MHz gives you a smooth experience. The 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery will let you use your phone for longer.